So today's question is write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday gift. So you can start with your address, then date, then date, and then you can start with dear uncle, I'm glad you came along with the entire family uh, for my birthday. Hope you have enjoyed the party and reach home safe. And first of all thank you so much for swimming goggles swimming goggles, and you presented on my birthday. I'm carrying it every day. I'm carrying it every day to my swimming classes. All my friends loved it so much. It was something I've been wanting for a really long time. Thank you so much for the wonderful and useful gift. More than gift, it shows your love for me. I feel so blessed. So you can mention any gift you want, and I feel so blessed to have you always by my side. Your lovingly. Then you can write your name. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.